So just to bring you guys up to date, we put the clutch on this. We ran out of batteries, so we weren't able to shoot that. But we got the flywheel and clutch on. The motor is pretty much dressed, and we're gonna put it in. We didn't put the engine mounts on just so we can have more room to move it around, and hopefully get it bolted up and started.
Did you say you had to torque the engine?
Yep, gotta torque it. How does my hair look?
It's spectacular.
Really? Okay.
The pine needles at the back really add to it.
Thank you. So the engine went in a lot easier than we had anticipated. Putting the bell housing bolts on, and then the engine mounts, and start buttoning it up. All right, let's take out the hoist. Let's get her off the hoist, I should say. There. Oh, look at it.
Wow.
There.
That's a good feeling right there, right?
There's a beaut. Shocked.
What are you shocked by?
It went in that easy without fighting us the whole way. As much as this engine hassled us to go in like that,
I'd say it's much easier to put it in than take it out.
it was.
That's good news.
That it is. All right, let's button her up, man. So, we're gonna use the fan clutch that came with that one. No. Yeah, we're gonna use the fan clutch that came off of that engine originally.
Okay. The one that we just put in.
Yeah, but we're not gonna use the fan because the fan was dented. We're gonna use the fan off of this blue one here. The clutch doesn't look to be as good of a shape as this one. So clutch off of the new engine, fan off of the blue one.
Perfect.
There you go.
That's pretty bent.
Yep. All right, toss that in the scrap bin.
There we go. Fans on. Next thing, put the grill back on. Radiator. Get the front all done. Connect everything up. We'll see where we're at. So we're going to mount the throttle body, and we're removing the throttle body spacer that came with the original engine. And Masis is cutting the bolts so that we can fit it on without the throttle body spacer. Otherwise, they're going to be those really long bolts, and they're not going to fit. We also have the original bracket here with original mounts, so it's not all up high without the spacer there.